Raceway. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's get into tonight's program.
Driving for NZ Racing is Mr. Dan and Harry from the States. That's right, they're sponsored by NZ Racing all the way from New Zealand. They had a sensational win last week over Lisa Smith in 100 Proof Racing, and they're looking to do it again tonight. All the way from South Africa is Hansie Ledigan. He's driving for Redline Salvage Inc. from America, and he's driving that 68 El Camino. We've seen how well the 68 El Caminos go on Mount Western Raceway. Will this live up to its reputation?
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Mr. Dan and Harry in the Sooo Fast.
What a fantastic late charge by Mr. Dan and Harry driving for NZ Racing.
Race 2. Winner, Hansie Ledigan in the 68 El Camino for Redline Salvage Inc.
What a great race that was in the So Fast. Well, he's left for dead right up in turn 1.
Race 3. Winner, Team Redline Salvaging with Hansie Ledigan behind the wheel in the 68 El Camino.
Mr. Dan and Harry in the So Fast having trouble on this course tonight.
Race 4. Mr. Dan and Harry in the So Fast, coming in backwards.
Well, that is some reverse driving I've ever seen here in MWR. All squared up.
Race 5. Winner, Hansie Ledigan in that mighty 68 El Camino.
Well, that's one way to end a race and park your hot rod. Congratulations, Hansie Ledigan, driving for Redline Salvage Inc. You get your first win tonight right here on Hot Rods. Let's look at the leaders board. Team NZ right up there with Mark D of CNC Racing, and Hansie Ledigan driving for Redline Salvage Inc. right down the bottom. Yet again, another upset here on MWR. I would have thought that the 68 El Camino with Hansie behind the wheel had this sewn up. But as he comes out of turn 2, he hits that side wall and just can't recover. And this just leaves it wide open for Mr. Dan and Harry to cross the line in a slow pace of just over 10 seconds. Heading into the next race, and that middle barrier between the lanes has been extended to allow the cars a little bit more room when they get down the bottom. But it's Hansie Ledigan for Redline Salvage Inc. all the way here. That mighty 68 El Camino just loves racing on Mount Western Raceway. I don't know where the So Fast is, he's somewhere, but it's a 68 El Camino all the way in this race. Yet again, another upset in this race. The So Fast really just had it going on from the get-go. Right down Mount Western Straight here, you're thinking this guy is just going to power across the line, but when he comes out of that turn 2, he just gets caught up, and this just leaves it right open for Team Redline Salvage Inc. with Hansie behind the wheel. Unbelievable driving. Now, I'm not too sure what Mr. Dan and Harry were thinking in this race, but check this out. Coming out of turn 1, they hit the sidewall, and he's gone, you know what? I can go faster backwards. This is crazy. The 68 El Camino trying everything in the book to get past the So Fast, but it's Mr. Dan and Harry driving the So Fast for Team NZ, gets across the line going backwards. Heading into the last, and this is a 68 El Camino's win all the way, goes down low, and it's a shame the camera just caught them off there, but it's Hansie all the way here in that 68 El Camino. He goes up high. Right there I thought, you know what? He's lost it again. The So Fast is trying to get him. Hansie blocks him. and it's a great win for Redline Salvage Inc. with Hansi Ledigan across the line, and that is one hell of a park, as I said before earlier. Well, thanks again to Mr. Dan and Harry driving on behalf of Team NZ. We will see Team NZ on the track very soon. Congratulations, Hansi Ledigan driving for Team Redline Salvage Inc. You get your first Hot Rods Cup right here. See you Monday night, you guys. Coming up next Monday, which is round 30, we have another Aussie team on the scene. Straight Pipes racing all the way from land down under. They're driving that hot rod, the Straight Pipes. See you Monday night, Aussie time. Catch you later.